Hello, Carrot Bars World. It's Nitsa Nakos from beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. I hope everyone is having an absolutely better than great day. Well, the momentum is building. There is a buzz around our Carrot Bars community after our first WorldCall of 2016 and the release of our brand new incentive for the year, the Golden Brick Wall. I hope that by now, each and every one of you have got your plan in place to go Gold Director and to do it this quarter in time for Freedom Celebration so that you can be recognized walking across that stage as one of the very first to get their golden brick placed on the Golden Brick Wall. Well, tonight the excitement continues. The much anticipated WorldCall Part 2 is here, and I'm certain that by the end of this event, you will be inspired, you will be happy, you will be eager and motivated to walk out, march to 1 million, help us build that golden brick wall, and a tremendous success story for you and your family in 2016. So let's get right to it. It's an absolute honor at this point to take this event all the way around the world to our corporate headquarters in Stuttgart, Germany, where we get to hear from our leader, our founder, our visionary and CEO, Mr. Harold Seitz, and his right hand, Director of International Operations, a gentleman that I have come to know and appreciate so very much, Mr. Thomas Schreiner. Sirs, over to you.
Thank you, Nitsa. Hello and welcome to the WorldCall in 2016. First, I will say thank you very much for your hard work and confidence in Carrot Bars. I remember we began in 2011 without a website and without the software. We envelop step by step, and in 2012 we have the software, we have the website, and then we have the system that we can pay out of the Carrot Bars prepaid MasterCard. And so this is envelope that what we say, it's a hard time and it's a fantastic time, and then in the other side. And now I will look back in 2015, we have a turnover from over 45 million euro, and we're paying out nearby 20 million euro on commission. And in the system we have over 360,000 people, and this is incredible. I will say follow your leader. Your leader have to focus on it, and I will say the same. Have the focus on it, what you do. Not right, look not left, not right, go straight. And you will go to succeed. And now I will introduce a woman. She is for the first time in Carrot Bars, and she helped me many times from the beginning in 2011 to now. And in this time we are friends, we are lovely friends, and I introduce now Sherilyn Gober. Sherilyn, my Sherry, are you there?
Thank you, Harold, and thank you, Thomas, and thank you, Michael Frank. I know that you're busy running around behind the scenes making sure everything runs smoothly as we bring to you the 2016 Carrot Bars International WorldCall Kickoff. I cannot believe it is already 2016. You know, I think back, it seems like yesterday we were just getting started, but I look back at where we were, you know, and where we're at today, but more importantly, where we're headed to in the future, and my brain just starts spinning. It's almost in non-stop spin mode anymore. I am so excited, you know, about the future of Carrot Bars and building this company where we create a legacy, you know, for our children and grandchildren for many years to come. You know, before I go further, I do want to say or send out a special thank you to our corporate staff in Stuttgart. You know, gang, I have watched y'all come in early when you didn't have to. I've watched you stay late when you didn't have to. I've watched you put in that extra mile and put in that little bit of extra support there to make Karatbars International one of the finest companies I believe that's on the planet. You know, you simply amaze me. And I know there's not a lot of times that you do not get the accolades that you so richly deserve. But I think, you know, I can speak on behalf of thousands of affiliates worldwide when I say I salute you for the job that you do. You are remarkable, and you deserve so much, but we could not do this without you. So from the bottom of our heart to yours, you know, we just want to send out a big thank you. And I also want to say welcome to our new staff that is in Dubai. You know, we've just opened up a customer support center in Dubai, and that is going to be headed up by Nina. We're excited to have all of you, so I want to send out a great big welcome to everyone in Dubai. And, you know, so happy to have you part of the team of Karatbars International, and we look forward to working with you for many, many years to come. You know, 2016, gang, we keep hearing this little phrase, you know, boom year. And I don't want anybody thinking just a boom year. I want people thinking supersonic boom. You know, because in 2016, we are dedicating this year to the memory, to the legacy of Mr. Dan Girolamo, whom we knew and loved as Boomer, Boomsy, Booms, you know, Big Boomer Dan. You know, he had so many different names. But, you know, I want to share with you a special little friend of mine. And as most of you can see, this is a mama bear. And a few years ago, I was traveling with Boomer out in Colorado, and many of you know this was where he grew up. And, you know, we were doing some meetings out there, and I had the fortune of getting to travel to him with him to Fort Collins. And I got to hear all the little stories about what it was like when he was growing up, you know, as a boy. I got to meet some old childhood friends, and of course I met Ed Rupert out there, and who he adored. And I got to meet a lot of his family. And, you know, Boomer was loved by his family. He loved his family. And there's such a great group of people. But I consider myself blessed making that trip with him. But while we were out there, Boomer bought me this little friend. And as you see, it's a mama bear. And he told me that was Joe Norman on one knee, and that was him on the other. And for those of you that have been around for a while, you knew I always fussed at Boomer for calling me Mama Bear. And I said, that makes me sound so mean. And he would laugh, and he goes, ah, ha, ha, you know, that big Boomer laugh. And, you know, I was sitting there, and he bought this. And I said, you know, Boomer, I said, there's one thing I got to figure out here. You're calling me Mama Bear, but you and Joe are both older than I am. So how can you call me Mom? And that big laugh, I can still hear it today. He had the greatest laugh, as most of you know. He would get so tickled he could not, tears just rolled down his face. And we have shared many of those moments. But this little friend of mine has never left my desk. It was important to me then. It's even more important to me now. But I want to say, Boomer, I know you're still there. I know you're still with us. And I'm going to give you my word, Boomer, that I will continue to build toward the goals that you had set. I will support you. We're going to see this through. And we're going to carry part of your heart with us into 2016 and beyond. You are such an integral part of our family, and I will never forget, you know, what you meant to me and what you have meant to Karatbars. And so 2016 Booms, it's for you, baby. And we're going to build it up. We're going to carry that legacy that you started. Keep moving it forward. And all of those goals that you had, you hit most of them, buddy. But there were still a few left. And we're going to come together as a team, and we're going to make you proud. I can assure you of that. You know, Boomer stood for a lot of things. The laughter, the love. I don't, if you've ever been hugged by Boomer, you've been hugged. And, but he loved connecting people. There's several videos out there where Boomer talks about being a connector. And he did that. He practiced what he preached. He walked the walk and he talked the talk. And in 2016, we look around, and it's always been Harold's desire that this company stay a family. Well, as we grow, and right now we're moving closer and closer to that 400,000 mark. And as we move closer and closer to that mark, we're seeing sub-teams, pop up, and that's fantastic. We don't want you to change anything you're doing. You leaders are amazing. I sit back in awe of you and what you've accomplished and what you've put it all on the line for Carrot Bars, and we appreciate you so much. But we do have the sub-teams out there. We have, from my perspective, I can look out and I see the leaders in the Czech Republic. I see the leaders in Poland, the leaders in all over Europe, in Spain, a lot of our Asian countries that are out there. And I know what you're doing, and I talk to many of you, and I hear about the numbers and the meetings that you're having. And unfortunately, most of us over here in North America, we don't get to see enough of you. And in 2016, we want that to change, because I know the same token goes. It's very rare that you may get to hear from a lot of our North American leaders. But 2016, gang, you're going to hear the phrase, one team, one vision, one purpose, and we're going to walk to 1 million affiliates together. And the only way we're going to do that is together, gang. So in 2016, you're going to see a bigger concentration of bringing teams together and creating that unity. Harold told me many, many years ago, he said, Cheryl, together, individually we are just one drop of water. But when we come together, we create an ocean. Wow. That is a profound statement. And he is absolutely correct. I'm from Nashville. There's music's, been kind of around me my entire life. And I was really thinking about that phrase the other day. And I thought, for example, I love a piano. And a piano's I've kind of had a piano with me for most of my life. And if I had down days, I would go play the piano until I got happy. If other times I would go play until my frustration came out. But it's kind of connected to my soul. But a piano is a beautiful instrument. It creates a beautiful tone. And and as we all know, music soothes the savage soul. And I'm a firm believer in that, especially living in Nashville, music capital of the world. I understand, music does do something to us. But, I was sitting there thinking, as much as I love the piano and I love the sound that the piano makes, I think about the times over my life to where I had friends that would come in and maybe one of them would have an acoustic guitar. So while I played the piano, they would add the acoustics. Then I would have somebody else that may have a bass guitar. And they would, come in and start playing. And then somebody else a lead guitar. And then you'd get somebody back on drums. And, then they would start that. And then, if you were fortunate, you had a friend that could play a trumpet. And or maybe a saxophone, which is another one of my favorite. I can't play it, but I love a saxophone. And then, what if you had a steel guitar? Somebody sitting there adding steel to it. And I started thinking about that picture. Individually, we are yet one drop. And a piano, let's go back to that. A beautiful instrument on its own. But when you put an orchestra together, an orchestra is created with the tops of people in their field. That is their art. And when you put an orchestra, you only get the best. And I believe Carrot Bars has the best leaders there are. They're each and every one of them, brings something to the table. And, we need you. But when we come together as that one team, something magical happens. Just like with that piano, you can start off with that one beautiful instrument, and but you start adding all that other music and all the other instruments, and add a little percussion and a little, wind instruments, and then you start mixing bass and the treble, and you start blending all that together. Something magical happens, and that harmony is created, and there's something there in that moment that can never be replaced. And so 2016, I want to leave you with that visual. As individuals, you're fantastic. You are knocking it out of the park, and I am so proud of each and every one of you. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep loving your people, but together, we need you to bring your teams together. There's systems that have been put in play for this year that's going to help unify us all together all around the world. And I am so excited about that. So I'll know what Juan is teaching over there in the Czech Republic, and Juan will know what we're doing here in North America. And when we start bringing all that together, guys, that perfect music, that perfect harmony, I get excited. It almost takes my breath away. The opportunity that we have before us this year in 2016, and we can do it. I believe that not only can we hit that 1 million mark, I think we can hit much more. But we're going to do it, and the way that we're going to do it and really knock it out of the park is by coming together. So remember, 2016 supersonic boom. Boomer, you're in our hearts. We know you're here with us. We're going to make you proud. It's going to be an epic year, a boom year, supersonic boom year. But, gang, get out there. There's so many great announcements coming out today. Let's make it happen, one and all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Cheryl. Yeah, I have to announce a lot of new products, new fantastic products, already in your back office. I hope you see it. It's the 0.1 gram card. And we have different teams here, and you can order this within 6 pieces of these cards. The second, already in the back office, is our sDNA reader. We have the sDNA reader for the proof for the gold. I can show you one time if you put here, and you can prove the gold for the DNA, it's real or not. Then we have our cosmetics products, and you see on the left side for me, the cosmetics products is the gold refresher tonic. It's new. Then we have the gold eye booster. It's also new, and we have for the ladies the all-day support cream. And in the bathroom, it's the oil for your skin. This is very nice to see. This is full of gold. So all you can order in the back office immediately now. So then we have the business card with 0.1 gram. You can order your own Carabas business card with 0.1 gram, and this is absolutely fantastic, and I'm excited for this. So then we have a new product, it's the sunglasses. We have the Carabas sunglasses. You see it, it's in this package here, and the sunglasses can show you the next summer is coming. Okay? Carabas sunglasses, see you in your back office. So then very important is we announce now the Carabas prepaid MasterCard. We have the new MasterCard with new function and a new design. Carabas created for you the new products so that you can continue to earn more money. For all products you have units and commission. So, and now I introduce again Nitza. It's Nitza. Nitza, you are there? You are there?
Well, thank you so very much, Mr. Seitz. Wow, I am sitting here trying to contain myself after all of that, thinking about all these brand new products and what this is going to mean to our business moving forward. I know what I'm going to be doing. As soon as this World Call is over, I will be sampling each and every one of those products. Thank you once again, Mr. Harold Seitz. At this point, I am very pleased to be able to roll out a brand new resource that's been developed by your field leadership for the field. Now, this is for our One Team, One Vision, One Dream, Run to 1 Million. And it's a live events website, but it's more than just a website. It's an actual system. You see, the live event system is designed to help you build momentum and advance momentum throughout the year. We build our business in 90-day cycles. And the idea is every 90 days, you want to be building and developing new directors in your team. So you want to get yourself to director, in 90 days, and then you want to help other people in your team go director in 90 days. And this live event system will help bring all of that together and give you the extra added fuel and incentive to do that. Brand new directors help break new gold directors and qualifiers for the golden brick wall. And of course, brand new gold directors advance gold director elites. So very excited to show you guys this. I'm going to share my screen so that we can put all of this together and show you the website. One moment.
Okay, so here is the new Carrot Bars Live Events website that's been developed by the field for our One Team, One Dream, One Vision, 1 million on our run to 1 million this year. The URL for the website is www.24kgoldevents.com, 24kgoldevents.com. And as you can see, it's a visually stunning website to keep in alignment with our beautiful corporate image. And the front page of the site features space here. We will be advertising and promoting our upcoming events. As you scroll down, you'll see the various different icons for our different events that comprise the event system. So for example, over here to the left is our 24/7 Carrot Bars presentation. So this is a presentation that's again developed for the field by the field. It's a 20-minute video, and you can just by simply clicking this icon here, you can yourself, or even more importantly, your prospects, you can send them to this website. It's another resource that you can use and send them to this website as a way for them to be able to watch the presentation. Next over would be our corporate World Vision calls. So these will be taking place monthly, and it gives us an opportunity to hear from corporate, to hear from top leaders in the field with updates, announcements, and training tips, recognition, and a whole lot more. Our private gold reception and training. We're very excited to build this resource. So our PGRT calendar will be up soon, beginning February the 1st, and it will list all live events in markets all around the world for you and your guests to be able to plug into and to learn all about Carrot Bars. You can meet your local team, hear from local leaders, and these events are designed to help you grow your business. So the PGRTs will begin with an overview on Carrot Bars, followed by a Getting Started training. Next is the Regional Success Training. These are events that take place quarterly. 2-day informational, motivational events in locations worldwide. Of course, we have our next one coming up is in Nashville, January 22nd and 23rd. Here you get to hear from all the top leaders in the field, Gold Director elites, special guests. These events will be transformational, and they will help you accelerate your momentum and catapult your business forward. Now, they are 2-day events. The Friday is the Director Summit. It's a leadership training for all directors and above. And Saturday is an all-day training incentive. Next over is our Elite Retreat. Once a year, we will have an Elite Retreat, and this is for all Gold Director elites, an opportunity to visit the corporate office in Stuttgart, tour the office headquarters, meet our friendly Carrot Bar staff. There will be an awards dinner, an office tour, a roundtable discussion with Mr. Harold Seitz, world-class leadership training, and you have to be a Gold Director Elite in order to be invited to this prestigious annual event. And of course, this year, with our a brand new Golden Brick Wall incentive, all Gold Directors, as well as Gold Director Elites, will be invited to this event. So another reason to go Gold Director and do it before the Elite Retreat, which this year is scheduled for September later this year. So we do have time to run to Gold Director and Gold Director Elite. And finally, once a year, our Freedom Celebration event, Carrot Bars International. This is our corporate event where our company welcomes all affiliates all over the world to its annual event, the Freedom Celebration. Here's the opportunity to meet our corporate team, including our CEO, Mr. Harold Seitz, Mr. Thomas Schroner, Ms. Martina Tag, and many more. You want to meet your Carrot Bars field leadership, your team members from all around the world. This is where we come together and unite and ignite with gold. So that's our event system, everyone, our daily presentations, our monthly World Vision calls, our monthly live local PGRTs, quarterly regional success trainings featuring the Director Summit, a yearly Elite Retreat, and our yearly Freedom Celebration. Right up here at the top is a link. This will link over to the PGRT calendar. Again, this calendar will go up beginning February the 1st. And in order to get your event on this calendar, we invite all directors and above to submit their events. And you'll learn about that at the Regional Success Training in Nashville next weekend. So that's it, everybody. Enjoy the resource. It's going to be a phenomenal year. Here's to the great success that's before us, and hope you guys enjoy the site and find great success with it. So at this point, I'm going to turn it back over to Stuttgart and our CEO, Mr. Harold Seitz.
Now I will talk about over the package. We have more content for the package, and I will explain you. We have the new presentation. New print presentation. I'll show you. You can face-to-face talk about with your people with Carrot Bars and can explain what is Carrot Bars. And also we have the marketing plan, yeah? And you can explain to people face-to-face the marketing plan. And new is that we have pins in the package. We have the bronze pin, we have the silver pin, we have the gold pin, and the VIP pin. It's very excited for you, and you have a pin, and the people knows what is the different package do you have. So, and we have more bonus codes, 3%, and more 100 euro bonus codes, and one cash gold in every package. One cash gold inside. Yeah, and new is our amazing cash box. The cash box within cash gold can use a package, is a cash box like a package, and you can buy how often you want. You have no status on this, and this is why we have inside our profit card, and with the profit card you get a status. But more from this will explain you now Tammy Morrison. Tammy, you can explain the cash box. Yes?
Thanks so much, Harold. Yes, it's true. The new cash box is finally available for purchase immediately following this webcast in your back office. As many of you know, Carrot Bars has designed a new cash gold product which contains real gold. 0.1 gram cash gold is now available with the cash gold box. This box can be purchased in 3 different variations: the 1-star box, the 2-star box, and the 3-star box. But more about that later. To start with, we're only issuing the 0.1 gram cash gold product, so you can have something to hold in your hand. We're also revising our K Exchange Center website to make it more innovative and lucrative for all of us. The new site for the K-Exchange Center will include the following functions: your own personalized K-Exchange link for new customer acquisition, ad placement options for your company, sector, city, or country, additional advertising possibilities for your own brick-and-mortar business, and your company's selected products can be linked directly to your K-Exchange Center. Using these tools, you can generate additional business sales. Before the K-Exchange goes live, we will provide you with further information. We anticipate the revised K-Exchange Center site to be ready in time for the Los Angeles celebration event this spring. The K-Exchange Centers are the cornerstone of the Carrot Bar's philosophy. So let's talk about what comes in a cash box. A one-star cash box is going to contain 12 of the 0.1 gram cash gold, 6 of the profit cards, an image brochure, gold brochure, K-Exchange brochures, along with branding card brochures, and presentation and marketing plan in paper format, along with a Carrot Bar's lapel pin. The contents of the 2-star cash box is 24 of the 0.1 gram cash gold, 15 profit cards, along with the brochures, the marketing plan, and the presentation, and the lapel pin. The contents of the 3-star box are 36 of the 0.1 gram cash gold, 40 profit cards, along with the brochures and the marketing plan and presentation in paper format, and your Carrot Bar's lapel pin. The prices of the cash boxes will range from approximately €299 to about €1,700, and you can purchase new cash boxes at any time. So what are the profit cards? The profit cards can help you market to new affiliates and get them started with Carrot Bars. The presentation and the marketing plan will also be included as a hard copy in every cash box. So those of you that are doing PGRs in your home, your office, your local coffee shop will have something in your hand to be able to show to people to present Carrot Bars. On the front of each profit card, there is an embossed or raised number. Each profit card has 4 functions. You receive 3% off your gold purchases for 1 full year. You receive 5% off all future purchases of cash boxes, and you receive the status of silver, gold, or VIP. For example, when you purchase a 1-star box, you receive the status of silver in our dual team system. When you purchase a 2-star cash box, you receive the status of gold in our dual team system. And when you purchase a 3-star box, you receive the status of VIP. You also receive a one-time €100 discount on the following products: a 3-star package, a VIP package, multi-gram card, 250 branding cards, 25 Poke cards, a K-Exchange business, the Carrot Bar's SDNA reader, and more in the future. When you want to use a profit card, you want to enter the number on the dashboard. This is the page that you see when you log into your Carrot Bar's account. On the lower right side, there's a field where you're going to enter your 16-digit profit card number. After you enter the number, you can enjoy all of the benefits that the profit card provides. With the introduction of the cash boxes, the contents of the optional dual team marketing packages will be expanded as well. Details can be found in the back office and prices will be adjusted accordingly. Depending on the version of the package ordered, the lapel pins have different markings, so you can show your Carrot Bar's pride. They're great conversation starters. A bronze package, you'll receive a bronze lapel pin. A silver or 1-star package will get you a silver pin. A gold or a 2-star package will get you a gold pin. And a VIP or a 3-star package will get you a VIP black pin. So when you're telling someone about cash gold, it's essential that you follow these guidelines. The purchase of cash gold or a 1, 2, 3-star cash box is optional. Cash gold is a plastic bill laminated with 0.1 gram gold piece of 24 karat 999.9 fine gold. Cash gold is not a form of currency. Governments create currency. Carrot Bars has cash gold as one of their products and it's for affiliates use. Cash gold does not replace other currencies. Cash gold is only accepted at Carrot Bars and K-Exchange Centers. Cash gold is protected against counterfeiting by certain security measures in various parts of the bill. So existing affiliates who wish to upgrade their dual team system may do so by purchasing a cash box. For example, an affiliate with a silver package can purchase a 3-star cash box, and this will give them VIP status in the dual team system. For existing affiliates who are already at the VIP level, plus packs will be available in the future. More details on that to follow. Thank you so much for your support and hard work in 2015, and I look forward to a fantastic 2016. Back over to you, Thomas.
Thank you, Tammy. 2015 was a year with record-breaking numbers, and also a year with a lot of negotiations, travels, meetings to set up new relationships, new corporations, and new friendships. But also it ended sad. We lost our then big boomer Geromo. And I do not want to say too many words, because then I think I would start crying. So we will never forget you then. And all the affiliates also will not forget you. And to remember your legacy, we have made a Dan Geromo memorial card. You will see. Okay, now I will tell you, yes, our new corporations, our new projects. I can present you now. The first is there are some policemen in Las Vegas. They drive the kids to the school in their police cars, because there are some areas there. They're really dangerous. So they do not only drive them to the school, they are present in the lessons and educate them a violence-free future. And as we met them and talked about Carrot Bars, they said, well, this fits, because then the kids also have a financial free future. This program is called C4 program, and the slogan for this program is safety for our kids. And so we decided to make a card for them, and for each sold card we make a donation from 10 euros to this charity. So thank you, LVPD, for the safety of our kids. The second I can tell you is about, yes, a very beautiful place in the Swiss Alps. It's called St. Moritz. St. Moritz is a meeting point of the rich and famous, really nice location. Hope you see it soon. And we set up a cooperation with the tourist department of St. Moritz to present the area of St. Moritz for all the tourists. And also in 2017, there is the World Championship in skiing there. So we will start with a first collector edition. It's a limited edition. There are 5 different designs. They are limited, and after we are sold out, we continuously present you new designs from it. Very beautiful, you can see here. Okay, let me tell you an awesome story. Last year I met an 83-year-old man in Zagreb, Croatia. I sit with him together, we have a great conversation, and he told me his story. He is a survivor from Auschwitz. He was deported at the age of 11. He survived this camp, and then he decided to tell the world his story and the story of his friends. So he went to the film industry. He was a co-director, started as a co-director, then he went to the United States. And after 5 years, he got his first Oscar as a producer for Schindler's List. In the meanwhile, he made films, movies, I think you all know. It's Black Hawk Down, American Gangster, Hannibal, Kingdom of Heaven, and a lot more. And then he get his second Oscar for his movie Gladiator. And we are really proud and honored that he's calling now Carabas a friend. So for his legacy, we decided to design a card for him, for the great guy Branko Lustig. And we are really proud to have him on board, and you can see the card here. Branko owns a studio, it's called Menorah Film. And Menorah Film, together with the Marco Polo Institute, and this is also now our friend Igor Prisnik, the president and founder of the Marco Polo Institute, they have a project. They want to make a big movie about Marco Polo and his journey, the Silk Road. Based on Marco Polo's book Il Milione, and believe it or not, today it's the bestseller, the third most sold book in the world after the Bible and the Quran. So based on this book, they will produce a movie. This is just in negotiation, it's a pre-production at the moment. So, and for this movie, for Marco Polo, we made a Marco Polo card, the Marco Polo Silk Road card. And especially for this card, we made a movie, a short 3D video clip. You will see after my speech. Because this fits totally. What did Marco Polo and what is Carabas doing? They bring together cultures. So here, my dear family, you can see the video clip from Marco Polo. I hope you like it. But that's not all, folks. We have a lot more in our pipeline. And to realize this in a timely manner, and also to keep the 180,000 cycles in a week for payout, we decided to make a small adjustment in the compensation. But don't worry, all the affiliates with a commission up to 800 euro a week are not affected. All the details you can see in the back office after our call here. But there's something more we have, another relationship. And but I think this is a part our Spanish leader and our friend Juan Giner can explain you, because this is a new sponsorship in the Moto2, that means the series of the MotoGP in motorcycle World Championship. And because Juan is an enthusiasm racer, motorcycle driver, so he lives for this sport, and that's why Juan will now explain you our new sponsorship with Moto2 and the new drivers. Okay, thank you for all you do, and hope I see you soon. Thanks, and see you. Bye.
So welcome, dear business partners, friends and customers from Carabas International to our New Year meeting. So you know, you have here from my speakers before that we have a lot of news in Carrot Bars International, and you also know that we did last year sponsoring the MotoGP World Championship in Moto2, and we are also official product partner from Dorna with our beautiful MotoGP cards that you ever see in your back office. So for this year, 2016, we will make in this area a big step forward with our sponsoring, what we will do. Together with the AGR Racing, this is a Spanish racing team, which owner is Carlos Arginano. Carlos Arginano is a very famous cooking chief. So he have every day he have his live show in television, and he's really famous in Spain and South America. And in Spain, I think all children know who is Carlos Arginano. So in this team, we will have two very fast riders. One of them is Axel Pons. Axel Pons is a young Spanish rider. He is the son from Sito Pons, and Sito Pons is a big name in the MotoGP. So he was a very, very good driver a lot of years, and he win 2 times the world championship in 250cc. So and the other one, so I'm very happy. He is here with us. Is Marcel Schröter. He is a German driver, and Marcel is one from the biggest talents what we have in Germany in the last years, and we are really proud to work with him this year. So Marcel was 2-time German champion in 225cc in 2009. Also, he was European champion in 125cc with Honda. Hello, Marcel. Welcome to the big Carrot Bars family. So, how you feel to be part from Carrot Bars International?
Yeah, hello. First of all, I'm really happy to be in this family, and first of all, also I want to say a big thank you to Harald Zeiss, to Thomas, and to Juan to give me the opportunity and to help me to ride for such a really good team. And I think first time since a long time to be on a competitive bike, competitive team. So yeah, really, I'm really proud of this, and I think I can be really happy to be in this family.
Okay, Marcel. So nice to hear. I have some questions for you. So we will begin with the first question. I write it on a paper. And the first question, of course, is: you love gold?
Yes, of course, I love gold. Like the MotoGP cards we have here, like everybody knows. So sure, I love.
Yeah, it's very beautiful. So you know that we are official product partner from this card from the MotoGP, and we are very proud about this. And I think in this year we will have many products, not only gold cards. So I will don't say some surprises for you, but we will have many products from Marcel and also from Axel and from the racing team for you. So Marcel, next question. So tell us about a little bit about the championship, about the season, and about the hard pre-season what you are doing in the moment.
Yeah, overall we have 18 races all over the world. So it's a long time, and for this it's very important to have a really good and good pre-season. That means training, physical training. Sure, many riders have their different ways to do their training to prepare themselves. But yeah, overall, for me, I'm always going to Spain. I think this is for riders, for people coming from mid Europe or our area. It's a really good opportunity to go there because the weather is much better all over the year in the winter. So you can really do a good training plan outside the building. So yeah, this is my plan, always to go to Spain, to stay there until the season begins. And then during the season, of course, I spend some time also at home in Germany with friends, with family, and yeah, during the summer you can keep the training also, keep doing the training also in Germany. So this is my plan, and yes, it's I mean it's a nice job what we can do. It's our hobbies that we can do now for our living. And but yes, also we need to spend a lot of time outside. Yeah, the home where you come from, and also the training is not easy. But yes, I like this, and I like to do it because I like to ride my motorbike, and I hope this year we can have some more success. And yeah, this is the more or less the way we start the season, mainly just with training. And then yeah, I think as better you prepare the season, the more easy you have it on the end of the season, because like I said, it's 18 races. So not only races, not only the weekends, also the traveling. You go from one race to the other, or only spend maybe 2 3 days at home, but then also you need to keep training. So maybe you have 2 days maximum between the races where you are free. But also on the other day you are already traveling and flying, so you never really have a lot of time to rest. So when there's a break with 2 or 3 weeks, it's sometimes really good. But like I said, the training is very important, especially for the last, let's say, the last 5 races, because then we have the overseas races with Japan, Australia, Malaysia. So this is a hard time, and I think always in the end it shows who did a good training in the preseason and who is fit enough to keep the yeah or to keep trying the maximum on the last races.
Yeah, perfect. I know the stress what you have. So we meet us last year in a lot of MotoGP, and it was for me a big stress only to go and travel there. And so I can imagine what this will be for you the weekends with this stress and all the pressure what you have on the publicum sites and television sites and all the job what you are doing. So a lot of interviews with magazines and television, and I know I can imagine what is this also a stress for you. So Marcel, tell us about the new team a little bit. So last year, the team win 2 races with one of your best friends, Jonas Folger. He's a very good pilot too. So you live together in Spain sometimes, and and the team finished the season on 6th position with Jonas. Is it right?
Yes, like you said, or like I said already, I'm very happy to join this team. The good thing is I already knew the team very well because of Jonas, because we traveled sometimes together last year because we stayed together in Spain. So we tried to have the same flights or the same time going to the airport and things like this. So many times I spent already time with this team, or they took me in the car to the racetrack, things like this. So already like this, I came into the team knowing the people very well. So it was not a big change because, like I said, I knew them already, and we were more or less friends already. So just after this little amount of time already, we get along very well. So it's a very good atmosphere in the team already, and I like the mechanics, I like the people. So I'm really looking forward to next year, to next season. And like you said, Jonas, they finished on this position, so this is more or less all being there. And if we can achieve this, I think we can be really happy to make this in the first season with a new team. So, and also Jonas did some podiums, and I think this is something we want to repeat. I want to repeat. Maybe I try to make it better. But yes, first of all, it's important to, after seasons like I had now, it's important to show again to what we are capable of. So first we want to start the season on the good way, not expecting too much. Have fun again on the bike, have fun with the team, and then step by step we want to be there where they finished with Jonas.
Yeah, but Marcel, so I hear other things. So I was with you in the last race in Valencia, and so after this championship, you travel directly with the new team to Jerez, yes, and to make the trainings the first time. So and then you was one weekend in Jerez, and the next week you come back to Valencia, and in the both trucks. So I hear that that you break the records. So the pole position from Axel, from Rins and Johan Zarco. So in Jerez and Valencia, is this correct?
Yes, this is correct. Like I said already, we have a really good feeling with the team. First, we went to Jerez for the first two test days with the new team. And I have to say, in the beginning, it was a little bit. It took me a little bit time to get to adjust to the bike because it's such a big difference to the tech-free bike. In any way, in the position of the rider, the feeling. Then also now I have different suspension, so all the feeling what you have to the tires, to the tarmac, everything is quite different. So it took me, yeah, quite a long time to just to get the feeling. And then I mean already the lap times were not so bad, and very soon I was already on my best laps I ever did on around this track. So but still to find the feeling, it took me a little bit, and I think still now after 4 days it's not at 100% because things change or condition change.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, then when we went after these 2 days from Jerez to Valencia, immediately from the beginning, I think in the first 5 laps, I was already faster than I ever was on this track. So just this, it gave me a really good feeling. And in the end, I think it showed us that we did the right choice, and all the effort to find this team and to make this ride possible, I think was the correct way. And yeah, but like I said, even in Valencia, the feeling still can be better, and we need to improve things. But yeah, without doing a lot of work, let's say on the bike, we were just trying to ride. We were really, really fast and consistent fast from the beginning. And yeah, was what I was hoping in the end of 2015 to when I changed the bike, really to make a step forward, because we never knew where the bike was with Tech 3. We always tried our best, always the team tried the best. So I was never unhappy with the team because they tried to do their best with what they had, and I tried the best, but it was just not enough. But yeah, the question was always it's how many percent is the bike or how many percent is the rider. So
Yes.
in the end, it was, I think, the right decision, and we showed in Valencia. We saw in Valencia that yeah, we can be really happy with what we did, and we can be looking forward to 2016, and hopefully yeah, try to be in the top 10 again, let's say, to say a number, and then we see what we can do.
Perfect. This normally was my next question. What is your goal for 2016? But you have explained it perfect. We know now where is your way, where do you want to go with this new team, and so I feel really good for you. So when I see these times, so I was so happy. So it was for me crazy when Michael, your manager, sent me the monitorings, and I said, "What the hell is this?" So you break the record even in half second. So the pole position from the last year. So this is crazy. After 2 weeks after, so this is absolute crazy. And so we hope and so we will support you to give you the best from our side too, that you can have your goals. But now one of the most important question. It's a very important question. So, and most for the girls in our headquarters in Stuttgart, because we was together there, Marcel, and the girls was going, wow, Marcel. And also, I know we have thousands of female affiliates outside. Marcel, you have a girlfriend?
No, I don't have a girlfriend.
No girlfriend. So Marcel, thank you for this interview. You want to say something to our thousands of Carapaz affiliates who are watching now this event?
Yes, again, a big thank you to the Carapaz family, and to all the people belongs to Carapaz, to support me from everywhere where you're from. And also the main people from Carapaz, the names I already said, especially especially to them, a big thank you because yeah, I think this is like I said already, is a big opportunity for me, and to only because of you and of course a few other people is only because of this it's possible. This is possible. So yeah, I need to be very happy with this, and hopefully we can celebrate some better results next year together, a good season together. And yeah, I will try to do my best this winter to prepare as good as possible for the season. This is all I can do at the moment, and I know that I will do this. I know the team will work hard to give me the best possible, and then with all the sponsors, with all the friends and supporters around me. Like I said, I think it's a good name. We say family. We can achieve yeah, good results, I think, and if we all believe in this and stick together, hopefully end of next year we can have a nice little party together.
Yes, of course. Thank you very much, Marcel. And you, don't forget that some of you will have the opportunity in this year to visit Marcel into the paddock. So we will explain the next few weeks how it is working, that you can get paddocks passes and see Marcel live working on a GP weekend. Thank you very much, buddy. See you very soon. And so go fine to your trainings in Spain. I know that you are traveling there now, and so we see us very soon. And a big hug to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone, and I cannot wait to get 2016 started. You know, we're going to have some incredible events this year, monthly, you know, in your local markets or regional markets. Of course, the big freedom celebration that we have each and every year. Right around the corner in the next few days, we have our first regional success training seminar right here in Nashville, Tennessee. We have leaders from all around that will come together here in Nashville, and you know, it's going to be a powerful, impactful 2-day intense training session, but I think it's going to change a lot of lives. I can't wait to see you here. I can't wait to see you in Los Angeles in April. You know, and the only thing I can say is I can't think of any other group of people in the world that I would rather take this journey with than you. You know, one thing I want you to all remember is everyone counts, whether you're new to Carrot Bars or whether you've been here for a long time. Everyone counts. Let's grab somebody's hand and let's move forward in 2016 and let's make a difference and let's just absolutely topple that 1 million mark. Thank you and have a good night.
So you see, everything is great. Carapaz is not just a company, Carapaz is a movement. In 1971, the gold standard and the money is no more backed in gold. And in this time, the money just a paper. Only that we trust that we get our products for this paper. And if you use cash gold, then you have the value in the paper, in the plastic. If you burn this one, what do you have? Nothing. If you burn this, the cash gold, do you have gold? And this is very important when you talk about with the people and explain exactly what is gold, what is Carrot Bars. We will move forward with you together, and we have in the 9th of April a big convention, Carrot Bars Freedom Celebration. Don't miss this, and I'm very excited of this. I can see you, can talk about with you, and this will be a great time. I would say thank you very much for your time. Have a nice time, and see you soon. Your Harold Seitz.
Well, everyone, that's it. The news is out. We've got brand new products to help us all make more money, get more gold, and put more gold into the hands of the masses. New, powerful relationships have been formed to help strengthen the credibility of our company and our worldwide mission. A brand new live event system to bring us all together and to help build momentum throughout the year. One team, one dream, one vision, 1 million. Our formula has been set and our battle cry has now begun. At this point, there's one thing that remains. For you, for me, and for each and every one of us to come together and to take the actions necessary to create the success we desire and so very much deserve. I want to invite each and every one of you right now to get in front of the pack. What does that mean? Your back office is now live. All brand new products have been loaded into the back office and they are ready to be shipped. So you want to get back there right now and you want to choose the products that you want delivered. Pick one of everything and stock up. How about those beautiful brand new gold business cards so that you can step out in style? Or grab a cash box and help stock up your cash gold reserve. Purchase one of those SDNA readers so that you can prove to all who doubt that Karatbars Gold is the real deal. And oh, while you're back there, don't forget to pick up a pair of Karatbars sunglasses because I'm sure you would agree with me that our future looks so very bright with Karatbars. Mr. Harold Seitz, once again, on behalf of the affiliate team all around the world, we want to thank you for your vision and for bringing us this life-changing opportunity. Mr. Thomas Schreiner, the corporate staff in both Stuttgart and Dubai, thank you for all that you do for us in the field to help us secure our families, our finances, and our futures for generations to come. Ladies and gentlemen, there's never been a time like right now, 2016, to save in gold. Boomer, this one's for you. It's Boom Year, hashtag Boom Year 2016. Hope you guys have enjoyed both editions of our World Call. Ladies and gentlemen, this now will conclude World Call Part 2 and our January edition. On behalf of our worldwide affiliates, our International Leadership Council, and our corporate team, this is Nitsa Nakos wishing everyone a happy, golden, and prosperous week. Don't forget to get into your back offices right away to sample the new products and make sure that you get this link out to each and every person in your team. Safe travels, everybody, to Regional Success Training. I can't wait to see you all, or should I say, see y'all in Nashville this week. Bye-bye, everyone.